to my channel. Today we are going to Antalya for a vacation with my girls. Kızlar selam verin. Hello. Let's go. We have just arrived at Antalya Airport. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Tomorrow, fasting. We got ready and now going to eat some food. Hi. And now it's time to drink tea. What's up? I drink tea. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Israel better stop. Right. We came to a petrol station to buy some chocolate. Quarter past 2. It's 2:16 a.m. We have just eaten something because we're gonna be fasting tomorrow. It's it. We don't buy boycott products. It's Turkish brand. This is our hotel, Royal City Hotel. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is the last day of Ramadan and we are going to outside to enjoy the moment. Tomorrow is Eid. We are so excited. Let's go outside. Hi. Okay, guys, you need to see this. Ta-da! We have just found a great way. Alt yazı koyacağım, sıkıntı yok. Odan almış. Literally amazed by the view. Oh my gosh. I want to die here. Could you please bury me here? You're playing PUBG? Is she crazy? Are you okay?
Very excited speaking English.
So, thanks babe. Türkçe konuşacağım. Türkçe konuşacağım.
She prefers speak Kurdish.
What? No. We are not talking politics. Because he's African, they have a different accent.
You're the best.
Okay, Habibi, send me money.
She's a rich girl.
Gucci gang.
Okay, it's
Mekanın adı neydi kanka? We're fasting, just gonna have some fun together and have a conversation, right baby? We have just taken so many great pictures and she's a really good photo taker. Yes. High five. You're so beautiful baby.
25 yıldır ilk defa kız kardeşler romantik bir anne istiyorlar. Ben de şahit olmak istiyorum.
Sevmiyorum dedi. Kulağının arkasına çiçek koydu. Oh Shari, it's a birthday.
We go party like it's a birthday.
Ne alacağız? Cheese. Russian cheese. Oruçluyuz arkadaşlar. O yüzden canımız her şeyi çekiyor. Oh nice. Free Palestine. Yeah. Boykot ürünlerini almıyoruz. İsrail desteklerini hiçbir şey almıyoruz. Full yerli malı, yurdun malı. Herkes onu kullanmalı. Everybody.
I don't speak Turkish.
We're gonna enjoy the sea.
See you later.
Bye.
Grab your jacket and your shade.
50 minutes left for iftar. Our friends are gonna come and pick up us. Welcome to Shemra's channel. See you later. See you.
So we're miles away.
Everything is amazing. After our great iftar, now we're having a great coffee with friends. We're just enjoying the moment. By the way, we are in Konyaaltı right now. And the beach is great. Bye. It's 1:17 a.m. and we are just walking in the streets looking for somewhere to play 101. Gece saat kaç arkadaşlar? Namazı bekliyoruz değil mi?
Namaz 7'de okunuyor. İstiyorsan camiye gel bayram namazına. Benim ezan sesini
Ben de hiç cami bir tane gördüm. Good morning guys. It's time to have breakfast. Day 3 in Antalya. No problem, baby. Hi. She's my cousin, by the way. Mashallah. That's a really great city. I have to pray, and we were just looking for a mosque. We finally found it. There is no one, just me. I love praying in the mosque. في فضاء بين الفضاء لا مكان له في الوجود. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, now heading to Kaleci. Şeyma, sevdin mi burayı? Good like. Good like. Yes. Arkadaşlar bu tabir İngilizce sözlüklerine hemen geçmeli.
Good like.
Good like. Ne demek? Çevirse ne olsun?
Güzel, beğendim.
İyi sevdim demek, tamam. Good like.
Very nice.
Artık videolarıma good like atıyorsunuz. Sence beğenmediğim şey tatlı mı? Morning. Let's go to the beach.
We are going home. We are going to the beach.
Home. Where is home?
Yes, please. Hemen şazamlıyoruz. Urfalayamaz elden. Ben vardı.
Bana dedik ya, içiyor musun, içmiyor musun diye.
Now we are going to Big Chefs to have a great meal because we're starving. Everything is splendid. Oh my goodness. This is my first time to try coconut juice. Nice. It was an amazing trip. Now we are going back to our hotel. We're gonna get our baggages. We will be heading to the airport.